Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Timex automatic watch. So both manual winding and automatic watches are mechanical. So here I have a vintage Timex manual winding mechanical watch, and here I have the Timex self-winding or automatic mechanical watch. The difference is that on this particular model we have an extra piece, an extra metallic piece on the back, which is called a rotor. So as you can see on this Seiko 5 automatic watch, this rotor is going to spin, so it is going to move as I wear the watch. This is going to do the winding for me. So this means that on automatic watches you do not need to wind your watch manually, because this is going to do the work for you. So what you can do is to pick up your watch, give it a quick shake, and then you can put it on the wrist, and the wearing of the watch is going to do the winding for you. Now there are going to be some vintage and modern mechanical automatic watches that also feature a manual winding option. So this particular one also features the manual winding option, so I can rotate the watch crown in a clockwise direction, and that is going to also wind the watch for me. Also, as I mentioned, modern mechanical watches have this feature. So this Seiko 5 also features this option as well. Now, if you manually wind your vintage mechanical watch, there is something that you need to take into consideration, because these do not have the protection for the mainspring. So if you manually wind your vintage mechanical watch, make sure to feel the resistance of the crown. As you keep on winding the watch, it is going to get closer and closer to that maximum threshold of windings, and once you feel a very powerful resistance, that means that your mainspring is fully wound and you need to stop in order not to break the mainspring. Modern mechanical watches, automatic watches especially, have a protection against that, and once the mainspring is fully wound, the winding of the watch or the wearing of the watch is not going to wind the mainspring anymore. So in case you have a vintage Timex automatic watch or a modern one, you can also try to manually wind the automatic watch a little, especially if you do not have a very active lifestyle. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.